Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 20B of chapter 20, mensuration. One question is written here. Question number 9. A square lawn is surrounded by a path 2.5 meter wide. If the area of the path is 165 meter square, find the area of the lawn. Students, I draw a square lawn surrounded in path width of 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter. This side also 2.5 meter. This side 2.5 meter and 2.5 meter. If the area of the path is 165 meter square, area of the path is 165 meter square. Find the area of the lawn. So let the side of the lawn be x meter. Let the side of the square lawn be x. Let the side of the square lawn be x. Therefore, area equal to x square. Lawn width path. Lawn width path. Heading side equal to x plus 2.5 this side and 2.5 this side. So 2.5 plus 2.5 equal to x plus 5. So area of the lawn width path, side into side, x plus 5 into x plus 5 equal to x square, x into x plus 5 multiplied by x, so x square plus 5x. Now 5 multiplied by x plus 5, so 5 into x, 5x plus 5 into 5, 25 equal to x square plus 10x plus 25. Now according to question, area of the path equal to 165 meter square. That implies area of the lawn width path minus area of the lawn. So x square plus 10x plus 25 minus x square equal to 165 meter square. That implies x square is cancelled. So 10x plus 25, 10x equal to plus 25 by transposition, 165 minus 25 equal to 5 minus 5 0 and 6 minus 2 4, 140 That implies x equal to, now x equal to 140 by 10. 0 to 0 cancel, equal to 14 meter. So therefore area of a square lawn, side a square, so 14 meter square equal to 196 meter square answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 10. In this question, the length and breadth of a rectangular park are in the ratio 5:2. A 2.5 meter wide path running all around the outside of the park has an area of 305 meter square. Find the dimensions of the park. Draw a figure of park, rectangular park. Its length is 5x and breadth is 2x. A 2.5 meter wide path running all around 2.5 meter, 2.5 meter, and this side also 2.5 meter. And area of the path is 305 meter square. 305 meter square. Let L equal to 5x and B equal to 2x. Area of the park. Area of the park. L into B equal to 5x into 2x. 5 to the 10x square. 10x square. Now, park with path. Park with path. So length equal to 5x plus 2.5 this side and 2.5 this side. That means 5x plus 5. And breadth equal to 2x plus 2.5 this side and 2.5 this side. That means 2.5 plus 2.5, 5. Area equal to L into B. So 5x plus 5 into 2x plus 5 equal to 2x plus 5 multiplied by 5x. So 5 to the 10x square. 5x into 5 plus 25x. Now 2x plus 5 multiplied by 5. So 5 to the 10x plus 5 into 5, 25. Next step is 10x square plus 25x plus 10x, 35x plus 25. Now according to question, area of the path. area of the path equal to 305 meter square. That implies 10x square. That means area of the park with path and area of the minus area of the park. So 10x square plus 35x plus 25 minus 10x square equal to 305 meter square. 10x square plus minus 10x square plus 10x square plus 10x square minus 10x square cancel. So 35x equal to 25. That means 35x equal to 305 minus 25. 305 minus 25 equal to 5 minus 5 0, 10 minus 2 8 and 2 280. Now find x equal to 280 by 35. 7 5 ja and 7 4 ja. 8 5 ja 40 equal to 8. Therefore length equal to 5x equal to 5 into 8 equal to 40 meter, and breadth equal to 2x equal to 2 into 8 equal to 16 meter. So 40 meter and 16 meter is answer of this question. Student, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 12. In this question, a 115 meter long and 64 meter broad, 115 meter long and 64 meter broad lawn has two roads at right angles, one 2 meter wide running parallel to its length and the other 2.5 meter wide running parallel to its breadth. Find the cost of traveling the roads at rupees 60 per meter square. Students, draw a figure of this lawn. Length 115 meter and breadth 64 meter. One road parallel to its length is 2 meter wide. 2 meter wide. Other 2.5 meter wide. Here 2.5 meter and 2 meter. And this road also construct. This is construct both. ये रोड का जो पार्ट है इस रोड में भी और इस रोड में भी, दोनों रोड में कॉमन है, इसलिए इसके एरिया को इस रीजन के एरिया को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना होगा. सो एरिया ऑफ द रोड्स, राइट लेंथ 115 meter and breadth of the lawn is 64 meter. So area of the roads area of the roads equal to first road running parallel to its length. So length is 115 meter and its breadth is 2 meter. So 2 meter. Plus second road is length 64 meter, its breadth is 2.5 meter, minus this region 2.5 into 2, 2.5 meter into 2 meter equal to 115 into 2, 230 meter square, plus 64 into 2.5, 64 into 2.5 multiply 64 into 2.5. So 4 5 are 20 of 0, carry 2, 6 5 are 30 to 32, 30 plus 2 32, and 4 times 2 times 4 2 are 8 and 6 2 are 12, 0, 8 plus 2 0, 8 plus 2 10 of 0, carry 1, 3 plus 2 5 1 6, base 1 after 1 digit. So 160 meter square, 160 meter square, minus 2.5 into 2 meters, so 5 meter square. Students, solve it. 230 plus 160. 230 plus 160 equal to 0, 6 plus 3 9, minus plus 2 plus 1 3, 390 meter square minus 5 meter square. Subtract it, 385 meter square. Now find the cost of graveling. Cost of graveling the roads. Cost of graveling the road. So area is 385 into cost rupees 60 per meter. So multiply by 60 equal to 0 times. So 0. 5 6 are 30 of 0. 5 6 are 30 of 0. Carry 3. 8 6 are 48. 3 51 plus 51 is 1. Carry 5. 6 3 are 18 plus 5 23. Rupees 23,100. I'm sorry. Understand it right? Students, today your homework is solve exercise 20B. Thank you. That's all.